Hello, this is Igor Edelman, and welcome to CloudSlam '09. I have the pleasure of introducing to you Stephen Foskett, Director of Consulting with Nirvanix, who will be talking to us about cloud storage in cloud computing. Please welcome Stephen.
There we go. Hear me now? Oop. I hope you all can hear me now. I think I'm unmuted there. If any attendees just want to send me a chat message to let me know that I'm working well, I would very much appreciate that. Assuming that you can hear me, I would like to introduce myself again. As was said, I work for Nirvanix, which I assume that many of you have heard of as a provider of managed cloud storage services. I am actually very, very new in this role, but not new to the world of storage. I have been working in the enterprise storage space for almost 15 years now, working 10 years ago at Storage Networks, providing managed storage services, and since then in consulting, delivering independent storage consulting services to the enterprise. This is now my third week at Nirvanix, so I hope that you'll bear with me. I am actually extremely interested in this space. I have been a blogger and presenter for all sorts of events. If you go to blog.foskett.net, you can see some of the things that I've been working on and talking about for years now. And it was just a natural fit for me to work here at Nirvanix and working on pushing forward cloud storage in the enterprise space. Since enterprise storage is so important to me, and I see the value of what we're doing. So I'm hoping that as we go through the session today, you too will understand just what it is about enterprise storage and cloud computing that is so valuable. So, one of the primary problems that I've noted over the last 20 years is the fact that even though disk storage is getting cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, capacity is actually growing as a budget line item. Why is that? Storage is supposed to be cheap. As I show here, in just 15 years, we've been able to go from a 1,000-fold reduction in the cost of disk space. So what's the problem? What's happening? Well, what's happening is that all the other things that we do with all that space just overload and outweigh the value of inexpensive storage. So the fact that we have larger and larger files, the fact that we have multiple copies of data for compliance, the fact that we have all this management overhead, and also honestly the fact that we don't use stuff very well. We, in enterprise storage, have spent years trying to figure out ways of using storage more efficiently, but we really haven't improved. I wrote a white paper in 2001